Okay, so this is the Kiev 4A that we have, showing you the item itself, the front, the back, up, down, side. So this is the cosmetic condition of the item. Then now we're gonna show you the lens itself. You can see the lens, the glass. Sorry for the fingerprint. But yeah, there you go. Here's the lens, the glass. So this camera, let me show you the shutter. Oh yeah, by the way, this camera, it focuses through this part here. So when you turn here, the lens will turn together. So this is how it focuses. Yeah, so like, let me show you the shutter as well as the other mechanisms. Okay, so there's an issue with this camera in the sense that if you wind, then only you adjust the speed. The curtain will open if you adjust it to faster speeds. So let's say if you adjust to slower speeds, it's fine. But if you adjust to faster speeds, the curtain will open, so exposing your film. So this is the funny thing about this camera. I think it's a slight defect. However, if you choose your speed before you actually wind it up or cock it, then it's fine. It's fine. So let me show you the speeds from the slowest to the fastest. So currently now it's bulb. So let me wind it up. Put it to bulb again. So going slower is fine, but going faster, you open the shutter. So yeah, there you go, bulb mode. So let me put it at half. So make it half. Then let me do 1/5. Then it's 1/10. Then it's 1/25. 1/50. 1/125. 1/250. 1/500. Let me do it again. Let me try. There's an indicator for 1/1250, but I'm not quite sure how to access it. I'm not sure if like this is the correct location, because I can't make it 1/1250. But let's try. Yeah, it seems to be same speed as 1/500, but yeah. Okay, so this is the functionality of the item, the shutter itself, and this is the condition of the film bay, as you can see here. And let me show you the winder. So so yeah, the self timer works as shown. So that's it. Thank you.